This is a short video on popping out the back and actually taking the SD card out of the camera, putting it into the laptop and uploading it through Wi-Fi. Uh, 8 gigs of time tech, 4 gigs, I think Samsung, and Silicon Power, 256 gigabyte. It's a Silicon Power E450 model. Empty slot. This would be an M.2 SSD if it was a different model, like the T model, I think. And Wi-Fi card. Battery. I don't know if they changed this. I should probably look at it. I might have another one. Alright, this was just a test. See if I could upload through this new old laptop.